5-Minute Digger Tales, Snowy Mountain, published by Igloo Books. It was a cold and frosty morning high up on Snowy Mountain. The JCB team were noisily hard at work, making a new highway through the snowy mountain peaks. "Shh," said Joey, as the team stopped to listen. "We need to be quiet and careful. The snow is getting thick and we don't want to cause an avalanche." Dan started pushing, plowing, and piling up snow. He was clearing the way for his building buddies to scoop and move. Dan was enjoying his job so much, he got carried away and started to sing and yodel. Yodel-a-hee-hoo! "Dan," said Doug, sternly, "didn't you hear what Joey said?" "Sorry, Doug," replied Dan. "I was getting carried away. I love clearing the snow, and it's so beautiful up here." But as soon as Dan was back plowing the snow, he was back yodeling. Yodel-a-hee-hoo! Crack, rumble! "Oh no!" shouted Elvis. "Avalanche!" The snow whooshed down the side of the snowy mountain and completely covered Dan, Elvis, and Doug. "We're stuck!" cried Doug. "Look what you have done, Dan." Joey and Roxy heard the crack and rumble and zoomed to the avalanche site. The snow had covered the whole area. "Dan, Elvis, Doug!" shouted Joey. "Where are you?" Elvis and Doug could hear Joey, but Joey couldn't hear them. "I know," said Dan. "I've got an idea." Dan cleared his throat and yodel-a-hee-hoo! Dan's yodel was so loud that Joey and Roxy easily found their friends in the deep, cold snow. "Sorry," Dan said. "I should have listened and worked quietly." "That's okay," said Joey. "Now let's get back to work. There's a little bit more snow to clear." The whole team laughed as they cleared the snow and finished the new highway quietly. The end.